First, it is actually a copa with regular handholds. 1, 2, 3. Bring the lady for a crossbody lead in a turn, and right when she's about to finish her turn, you also turn to the right. Lift your left hand up, enter in, keep your right hand on your neck till the last minute, and then put it over the lady's head. Right here, expand the hand out, so you turn. Now this is the fast part because you've got only 6 and 7, 8 to be on the right side to prepare the lady. Go for a double. 1, 2, and right before she finishes, 3, you finish 2. Take that force to go 5. Second turn for the lady together, 6, 7. I hope this makes sense, guys. We go slow. And 1, 2, use the whole wrist in your twist and the body bend to make it look more dramatic. And around the world, 6, 7, 8. Place the left hand down, keep it connected, and put your right hand over. Doesn't look very comfortable when it's in slow-mo. Let go and stay connected with the lady's right arm right here. Push her across on 5, 6, 7 and create a little bit of a tension between you so she can go back on 1. Start turning her on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4. Down on 5. Start turning on 6. Finishing on 7. Open up on 1 by grabbing with the right. Stop the lady on 5. Bring her back on 6 and 7. Practicing, lower the hand, lift up. Okay, if the lady is much taller than you, then you have to learn to go higher. I hope you like it. Make sure you comment and rate, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.